Topping up the DPF pat fluid on my Citroen Grand C4 Picasso 2017. The only tool you're going to need is this 10mm socket set, and that is to remove the plastic cover from underneath the vehicle. It's on the rear near side or rear passenger side of the car. You can see I've got the vehicle on ramps. You don't need that, that can be done on the floor as well, which just gives me some more space. So removing the cover will reveal this solid tank, and that's what we're going to fill up. So it's not the bag system to replace, but instead we're going to use the fluid and the hose to top it up. These are the three nuts that I removed. They're plastic and they should allow the cover to slide straight off. And this is the fluid. So using that hose there at the back, I'm going to hook up the bottle and let gravity do its work. Once under the vehicle, this hose is going to be removed. A little squeeze or a pinch and just slide it straight off. If it is a bit stiff, just be patient. You don't want to snap this end. We're now going to hook the hose from our fluid to this hose here. And as you can see, gravity is doing its thing. A little squeeze, just getting some of the fluid down. And I would recommend a cardboard box or some sheeting to protect your drive from this nasty stuff. Gloves as well. And that's it. Once filled up, you need to just reconnect those three nuts and get it reprogrammed.